In this video, I show you how to fix error can't play videos in SmartTube. For this, you can consider these steps. Number 1. Ensure a stable connection. A weak or intermittent internet connection can hinder video playback. Number 2. Restart your router. Sometimes a simple router restart can resolve connectivity issues. Number 3. Test your connection speed. Use an online speed test to check if you are getting the required speed for smooth video streaming. Number 4. Check for updates. Outdated apps can have bugs affecting performance. Update SmartTube to the latest version. Number 5. Clear app cache and data. This can help resolve temporary glitches. Number 6. Restart your device. A fresh start can often fix unexpected problems. Number 7. Check device storage. Insufficient storage can impact app performance. Free up space if needed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.